Okay, class. So this is a very short video on marginal analysis and optimality. So what we have here is just a very basic table that I've created. These numbers are arbitrary. It's really just to emphasize a point. So let's say whatever activity we're doing here, we do an hour, we get a total benefit of 100. We spend 2 hours, our total benefit's 180, and you can see how the table plays out from there. On the other hand, we have a cost that we incur in this activity. This likely is our opportunity cost of doing something else. So 1 hour, we're not incurring a lot of costs, 20, but you can see it increases as we go along. So what we want to do is to figure out what is our optimal amount of time spent on this activity. And so we do this using marginal analysis. So the first step would be just to calculate our different numbers here. So when we go from 100 of total benefit to 180, that marginal is 80. When we go from 180 to 240, the marginal 60, and you can see where this is all going. So basically our marginal benefit's the difference in total benefit as we add more time in. On the other hand, your costs go from 20 to 40 to 60 to 80 to 100 to 120. Okay, so once this is set up, this is a pretty easy analysis. As long as our marginal benefit is greater than our marginal cost, we should do it. So our first hour, our marginal benefit's 100, marginal cost is 20. We are definitely going to spend an hour here because our net benefit on the margin's 80. We're gaining 100 at a cost of 20. Second hour, marginal benefit's 80, marginal cost is 40. Again, positive net benefit, keep going. Here at hour 3, it breaks even. So we would stop at hour 3. What if we go to hour 4? Well, now we're getting 40 units of benefit at 80 units of cost. So we are actually going backwards. So let's take a look at another example here. Again, just using some arbitrary numbers here for costs and benefits. You can see I've calculated the marginal benefit, 160, 140, so on. Marginal costs, 30, 40, so on. And what we're going to do is we're going to keep adding units, units of hours spent here until the marginal cost is greater than the marginal benefit. So keep going, keep going, keep going. Here we break even. We do not want to have one more unit to go. Why? Because if we did, we would actually be spending more on the margin than we're getting back in benefit. And you can see that by doing this marginal analysis, our overall net benefit, which is the difference between total benefit and total cost, keeps increasing till we kind of reach this peak right here. Okay, so again, this table can kind of help you work with marginal, but it's simply the difference. So we go to 100 to 180, that's 80. 180 to 240, 60. 240 to 280, 40, so on. And again, one final one you can see here. We can use this. We can use math and think about profitability. So we sell 1 unit, our total revenue is 3, 2 units is 6, so on. Cost of production over here. And as long as the marginal benefit, which in this case is marginal revenue, is greater than the marginal cost, we will keep going. The greens here represent go, reds mean stop, because here in these two at the bottom, we're getting $3 of marginal revenue, but our marginal profit, our marginal cost is $3.50, so we're actually going backwards. So anyway, I hope this was a helpful video. And check out some of my other ones on the channel.